Once upon a time, there were these fish bones and some keys. This is that story. This week, the Shuffler challenged my lover lady Amber in 2 hours design a codfish-inspired key hanger using just box modeling. You're going to see how she designed her bonefish key holder, how our 3D printing process turned this idea into a sellable digital physical product, and how you can start making your own products in no time. Make sure to subscribe and like for more.
Hey, it's Amber, and this is my Shuffler experience. I locked in 2 hours to design, then clicked randomize until I felt that inspiration spark. Boot-inspired sign? That's not it. I clicked again, and inspiration bolted through my body. A codfish-inspired key hanger using box modeling was definitely the product for me. So I accepted the challenge and put in my email address. Would this be the best design yet? Would this design change the lives of millions of people? Only one way to find out. If you want to make a product with us this week, go to the link in our bio and get to shuffling, you lazy mother fudgers. And so the design of the codfish key hanger began. We decided to start with a little bit of box modeling, getting the basic shape of a fish, making sure that it looked all right, subdivided, and we made sure to add some ribs because bones look way cooler than an actual codfish. We added some lips to give it a little bit of emotion and some flair, also added a little bit of hooks so that the keys could hang down. We even went ahead and added an eyeball because why not? Then we made sure to add a little bit more detail, some bolt screws, and a flat so that it would print.
Amber then sent over her G-code, and I started 3D printing out her fishbone key hanger. This design 3D printed really well within a few hours, and I'm so proud of how she designed it to be 3D printable without any rafts or any supports, and it's very easy if you're just starting out. The only issues I had was a little bit of stringing on the hooks, so I still got to dial in those slicer settings to get a little more better. And I accidentally dropped the print while filming, but lo and behold, the fish didn't break. Yeehaw! Now it's time to take this inside, screw it in the wall, and see if we need to make any adjustments. You can also download it if you want it. There you have it, folks. The fishbone key hanger that was created within a few hours is now ready to sell online. If you need a quick idea, go check out our Shuffler. You can also take our 4-week design challenge if you're new to 3D print design and you need a little help from Amber or myself. And if you're already a member, you can download this STL and start 3D printing it right now. That way you can hang it up on your with your keys and see our codfish bone style and think of us every time that you leave your house. Thanks for watching. See you next week. Until then, keep creating.